Hey everyone, it's Marlene here with Savory Thoughts at savorythoughts.com. Thank you and welcome back to another one of our videos. In today's video, we'll be making this delicious classic minestrone soup. Now this soup is a classic Italian soup, pretty much translates to big soup or hearty soup. And to make this soup, we have the full recipe on the website at savorythoughts.com. Let's begin. Now, traditional minestrone soup will have tomato paste in it, but we did not include it in this recipe. However, if you would like to include it, please feel free to do so. And you can also add in any vegetables that you like. So to begin, go ahead and heat up the oil and add in your diced onions, celery, as well as your carrots. Go ahead and stir and allow the vegetables to cook for at least 3 to 5 minutes. Then go ahead and add in your leeks. Again, you can customize this to your liking. Once you're done, go ahead and add in your chopped zucchini. It's best that you keep all of the ingredients similar size. Go ahead, stir to combine. Cover it and allow it to cook for a few more minutes. Once you're done, go ahead and stir it and deglaze with vegetable stock. Next, add in your bell red peppers. Again, you can use any colored bell pepper you'd like. We're also adding in dark red kidney beans as well as white beans. Continue to stir. Next, add in the pasta. Followed by the vegetable stock. Next, add in the water and season with salt and pepper to taste. Finish it off with fresh basil and stir. Once you have mixed all of the ingredients together, go ahead and cover it and allow the soup to cook for at least 10 minutes. And guys, that's it. Your delicious soup is ready for you to serve for your family, and this is perfect for Meatless Monday. Okay, so guys, don't forget to subscribe. We would love for you to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Cheers!